and the very distinguished guests who are present today, and all of you who are so very anxiously and eagerly listening to these words of wisdom about the telemedicine and about the noble endeavor. And I think it's also my duty to, in fact, there is no necessity of my speaking at the end of this, the talks given by such distinguished persons of medical fraternity of the whole of the country. But yet I think I must have say a few words which to supplement it. Now we know India accounts for about 4.4 billion outpatient visits, and out of 4.4 billion outpatient visits, approximately there are only 250,000 doctors. 250,000 doctors who can handle 1.3 to 1.7 billion. So what happens to the rest? That means they are either not being treated, they are not getting the benefits. So how can you reach? So this is the question what Dr. Mahanti was telling about access. Now in any public good or any merit good or any essential for human beings, three things are needed: accessibility, availability, affordability. It must be accessible, it must be available, it must be affordable. Now medical care is, I think, the most important thing, where the worst problem is of accessibility. As I said, 2% of the doctors are catering to 75%. They are supposed to take care of 75% of rural people. Is it possible? So I think this medical care, which is telemedicine, is something which is definitely it's an idea whose time has come. It has to be the discipline of the future, medical discipline of the future, which can benefit maximum number of people for the greatest number, for the greatest good. So telemedicine cannot be avoided, and I'm sure that that is what is going to give really, as was said, now not only diagnosis, because it's a question of communication, it's a question of the telephonic facility and communication in which diagnosis can be done, treatment can be done. As I said, so many advantages are there, as Dr. Mahapatra has explained very graphically now, and also Dr. Mahanti has said, you have to reduce the time. You have also to see that it is not necessary for people to go to all the way to All India Institute of Medical Sciences. It can be done right in a village there also. He can get that best of the access, best of the doctor's advice can be got. So I think it's a time has come in which we are happy that the government of Odisha has also been taking quite a proactive interest in telemedicine, and OTET, I'm sure, with the kind of layout they have done, with the kind of planning they have done, I'm sure this is going to be a great boon for the people of Odisha. But it is ultimately, it is the question of who have to cooperate to find out. But for that, a lot of awareness is needed. Telemedicine, as someone said, we did not know really telemedicine is, we thought it's something, some nambo jumbo, which nothing happens, it's just a big word. But obviously it is going to be one of the most useful disciplines, and it's going to benefit lots of people, and particularly to rural areas. When we talk of inclusive growth, then you have to include all sections of the society, all sections of the citizens. And for that, I think we cannot have doctors, as he has also said, Dr. Mahapatra said, the number of doctors being added, 30,000-40,000 come out. But what happens is so many go out, that I think the base load, only about 250,000 qualified doctors are available in the country. 250,000 qualified doctors, if they are there, in spite of it is much less compared to the engineers, compared to the other professions. So therefore the doctors' population is always very limited, very scarce, very valuable, and I think we have to supplement it through technology. It is the telemedicine which provides the technology and the communication, as a result of which the availability, accessibility and affordability will increase. I am sure we must also, I join all of you in thanking OTET, thanking Mr. Bhagat, and thanking also the Honorable Minister for his very proactive support to this noble cause, which will be, I think, great benefit of the people of Odisha. Thank you very much.